Hi everybody, welcome back to Luna 411. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a bullet journal. This is the way I set it up, and please keep in mind these are my favorite tools. So far, one of my favorite tools is my notebook. Definitely buy a simple notebook, don't make it too complicated. And one of the things I like about this one is that it has all of the bullets already set up. This is called a dotted bullet notebook. Okay, I have another notebook, and that's just for me to make some notes so that I can, when I'm thinking about what to do or what are some of the decisions I need to make on the next day, I write them here. But then when I decide what are the top priorities, then I transfer them to my regular journal. One of my other favorite tools is the stencil book. I got this one at Target, and so far I enjoy it very much. You're gonna see it has a lot of stencils, it has the alphabet, and it's very simple and easy to use. The next one is a sticker book. This is really cool because if you're not very artistic and you don't know how to do calligraphy, this comes very handy. The one I purchased is the Happy Planner. It has 1,078 pieces, and I got this one at Walmart. Here's a little quick flip through so you can see these type of stickers that you're going to get. I already started marking all of my favorites, and that's another quick tip you can do when you get your sticker book. Washi tape. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They're very easy to use and they stick to the page, and I'm going to show you in the next video how to use them in your journal. I have a bookmark. This is simple, it's just so that you can use it on your notebook, and I don't think I have to show you how to do that, but very simple, just put it in there and it's easy for you to mark your pages. This one here is the one-touch glue tape. This will help you when you're trying to maybe put a picture on a page or glue two pieces of paper together on your notebook. You're going to need a good eraser, especially the kind that doesn't stick and doesn't make a marking. A good pen of your choice, pencil. I got these at Target and I like them very much because they're mechanical and I don't have to sharpen them. This one is a little calendar sticker, and you just use it to put it into your notebook, especially so that you don't have to write all of the dates in your journal. Here are more washi tapes. All of these I got them at the Dollar Tree. I have all different colors, and that's going to help you do different themes every month. Last but not least, your markers. Very important to have a good set of markers, and I got these at Target as well. They're the Crayola, and they're double-sided. One side is thin and the other side is thick. That's very good to use so that you can just draw your lines in different thickness. Here is another set of markers that I bought at Target, and this is the other Crayola. These are the basic colors. These are very useful, especially when you're drawing flowers and different decorations on your journal. And last but not least, you need something where to put all of your pencils so you can carry them when you're on the go. I like the see-through kind because that way you can see what are the other colors you're using and you don't have to worry about sorting through them too much. When you're journaling on your desk, it's a good idea to also have some type of pencil holder. I got this one also at the Dollar Tree, and it's very comfortable. So guys, on the next video, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to fill your bullet journal, and that's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope to see you in the next one.